Initially, when we implemented AFRM, it was to manage the close. But as we've continued to use it, there are numerous additional opportunities to use the system to help us with our internal compliance and our SOX compliance. Some things that we've done, for example, are those SOX procedures that we're supposed to do every month. We've created tasks for those to make sure that we don't forget to do them. That way they're presented to the preparer, who then makes sure that those tasks are prepared and reviewed and put away, so that when the auditors come at the end of the quarter, end of the year, those tasks are readily available for them to see. They're currently dated, they're currently documented, and we can make sure that we perform these important procedures. We've also used AFRM for operational entries. So those entries that are not part of the accounting close, but part of the accounting process that we need to do every month, and sometimes many times per month. So for example, we will deposit checks in Fairfax, Virginia, but someone in San Francisco, California, will need to post those checks. If we'll create an operational entry that will document these checks have been deposited, and the person who will post the checks becomes the reviewer. That way, once the deposit is done, they get an email notifying them that this task has been completed and ready for their review. They're able to review all the documentation that relates to these bank deposits, post them, and close them, and we have full documentation of that process.